Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Vayete comando. Vayete. Vayete Ikosamakos. Vayete. Vayete. Honorable Moses Kukuyu, Minister of Information and Transition, Your Majesty Wenyama Ikosamakos, Gomani 5, and Her Majesty Queen Gomani, MP Kanibadamo, Secretary General of the Maseko Ngoni Heritage Trust, and all the MPs here present. Honorable Minister of Trade, Honorable Vidumibo Mumba, Bakra Director, Mr. Dawid Suleiman, Councillor Joseph Makunja, Mayor of the Blantyre City Assembly, and all the councillors here present, all government officials, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great honor and joy that I stand before you today to witness and officially launch the Maseko Ngoni Heritage website. This is a historic moment, one that bridges the Maseko Ngoni rich cultural past with the digital future, ensuring that the legacy of the Maseko Ngoni people remains vibrant and accessible to generations to come. My generation trusted books. The next generation trusts Google and artificial intelligence. This is reality, and if culture is to endure, it must embrace this change. Your Royal Highness, it is without doubt that the Maseko Ngoni people are custodians of a proud and resilient heritage, rooted in bravery, unity, and cultural excellence. Their traditions, language, and customs are not just a reflection of their past, but living treasures that continue to inspire not only Malawians, but the identity also of the region of its people. Your Royal Highness, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am gladly informed that this website will serve as a digital gateway of the Maseko Ngoni heritage. This is the platform that will preserve the cultural knowledge of the Maseko Ngoni by documenting oral histories, traditional practices, songs, and dances. It is my hope that the website will serve as a critical education resource for students, researchers, and the general public, both in Malawi and across the world, as one way of fostering deeper understanding of Ngoni traditions. In addition, it is my sincere hope that the website will promote unity and identity of the grouping by showcasing the achievements and contributions of the Maseko Ngoni, while strengthening cultural pride among the born people and all Malawians. Wenyama, the Maseko Ngoni people and all distinguished guests here present. With further promotion of the Maseko Ngoni culture, there will be tourism and economic opportunities brought about when the website highlights cultural festivals, historical sites, artifacts of the Maseko Ngoni, thereby creating jobs as envisaged in the National Vision of Malawi 2063 and the culture, which is agriculture, tourism, mining, and manufacturing, which is the strategy promoted by His Excellency Dr. Lazarus MacArthur Chakwera, President of the Republic of Malawi. Your Royal Highness and all the distinguished guests, this website should be more than just a collection of web pages. Let it be exploration that the Maseko Ngoni heritage lives. Let us use it as a tool for storytelling, for celebration, and for ensuring that our children and grandchildren inherit a legacy they can be proud of. On behalf of His Excellency the President, I commend your wisdom. To the youth, I urge you to engage with the platform, learn, contribute, and take ownership of your heritage. To the Masero Congolese traditional leaders in peace, as custodians of culture, your guidance will ensure information that is put out there is accurate and authentic. And to all Malians, let us celebrate this milestone as a testament to our shared commitment to preservation of cultural values. I would like to congratulate you on this milestone. Now, Ngwenyama, this being a Ngoni website and our culture, allow me to invite Madam Elizabeth Konje to come here, and she needs a microphone. The microphone that was here should be brought back. Inkosi sebakosi ifuna lakanitele ukuthi iqale ukukhulumiselele abanye bathi isiSwati abanye bathi isiZulu.
Afumu watu inkosi sebakosi ufuna ndikupempheni mundilole ndiyamkhule ine mushigoni enamathi isiSwati enesiZulu.
Ngoba yakwazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bangabona umuntu axoxile iheadgear sibiza ukuthi uthini.
Angiphambili ngikudziwa unyama takamona muntu wavala umuntu amadziwa kuti ndimthini.
Kodwa ke wena usungoni ngoba uxoxile uthini.
Komana iwe sukhala ngoni chifukwa wavala mthini.
Wena ungoni ngoba ulandela indlela.
Iwe makhala ngoni chifukwa kuti ukutsathira njira
leyo ikhipha umthetho wesingoni.
Imenelo imasunga mambo wachingoni.
Iwebsite leyo
Ndiye website imeneyi
izafundisa abantu bonke
ifundzisa anthu wonse
abengoni
angoni
abantu bonke
ndiye nawonse
ukuthi amaseko ngoni badlani
kuti adziwe kuti kodi amaseko ngoni amajashani
bapita njani
amavina kanji
bahlonipha njani inkosi yawo
kanji kwa inkosi yawo.
Inkosi yamakhosi
Inkosi yamakosi
unabona kuyamangalisa kakhulu isukesi.
maona zimadabwitsa kwambiri masiku ano.
Ubona inkazana echadileyo
Umaona mkazi wokwatiwa
echayivototo ubusiku
wagundika kuchaya likhwelo kapena muluzu usiku.
lokho akuvumeki,
Zimenezo sizivomerezeka.
uyazila
Zimenezo zochisamanyazi
ngoba sechayivototo usebusuku
chifana mayimba muluzu usiku
abantu begezwa
anthu akamamva
bathubiza
amanena kuti akuyitana
ubani.
ndani
Akuvumeki.
zosavomerezeka. Ayi
Sifuna ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi inkosi yamakhosi
tikufuna kuti anthu adziwe kuti inu inkosi yamakosi
ngimfuleni,
inuyo mfumu yathu
ngimfuleni amanzi,
inuyo ndili ngati mtsinje kapena pamene vanhu pakupita madzi.
umfuleni uhamba phambili,
Mtsinje umapita chitsogolo
awuhambe emuva,
subwerera m'mbuyo.
unamanzi omnandi.
Pamenepo ndiye kuti pali madzi apamakhala madzi abwino.
Akula umuntu akafuna amanzi
Palibe munthu amene angafune madzi
uya umfuleni.
komano apite kuchitsime kapena kutsinje.
Inkosi yamakhosi ngimfuleni.
Inuyo amfumu inuyo ndiye mtsinje.
Kati niyakwazi ukuthi abantu bazagqoka iziveji.
Sindimadziwa kuti agavala zibhiya.
Ngilayo iziveji zami futhi.
Ndilinazo zimenezo.
Seligitha lidlalisa inyawo.
Mukamavina kumaseweletsa miyendo yanu kumasindasinda.
Likwazi ukuthi lihloniphe inkosi.
Muzidziwa kuti mukupereka ulemu kwa inkosi.
Manje nithi nipela
Ndiye panoma ndifuna ndipembe ba.
ukuthi iwebsite leyi
Kuti website imeneyi
sonke siyibambise kuhle.
tonse tigwiritse ntchito bwino.
Ukubhala zokuthethisa akufuneki.
Tisamalebe pamenepo zotukwana.
Sikwazi ukuthi thina abengoni silomthetho.
Tizidziwa kuti ife ndife angoni ndipo tilinawo mwambo.
Ukunatha utshwala,
Kumamowa,
ukuthanda abafazi,
kukonda akazi,
ukulwana
kuyankhula
asiyo i-identity yabengoni.
imeneyo sindiyo chidziwitso cha angoni.
Kodwa-ke
Koma
kulandela indlela.
kutsatira njira.
Indlela ikhiphi umhlangano wabantu.
Njira imene ingathandize kusunga gulu lanthu kapena msonkhano wanthu.
Uphiko phezulu
Mulungu mwambaku
abe nawo inkosi yamakhosi.
akhale nanu nkosi yamakhosi.
Kuthi sithandane,
Kuti tikondane.
abantu babuze ukuthi
Anthu adziwe kuti
kathi mwini lokho kubambanisa abantu besingoni namandla so.
koma kuti ndi ndani ameneyo akwanitsa kwagwirizanitsa anthu ayanjanitsa moterezo.
Sikubiza ngesikhiwa sithi social fabric.
Ndiye akunena kuti mchingerezi akuti ndi social fabric.
Ngoba ungafuna ukuthi ukwazi.
Chifukwa ukafuna kuti udziwe
Lawo bahambe university bayenzi wathi sikubiza ngesikhiwa sithi cultural development anthropology.
amene amapita ku masukulu aukachenjere amanena kuti ndi nthawi yophunzira za miyambo yosiyanasiyana.
Cultural anthropology development.
kupanga kuti miyambo yosiyanasiyana ithe kuphunzira ndi kukula muzikhalidwe zawo.
Ungahamba lapho
Ndiye ukapita pamenepo
bazakutshela ukuthi
adzakuza kuti
ungafuna ukuthi ukwazi,
ukafuna kuti udziwe
uhambe phakathi ubuze.
upite ukafunse.
Wena suvela phandle
Koma ngati sungalokele panja
ujale izithutha.
nkunena kuti anthu awa ndi opusa. Hayi.
Abantu abanye bathi
Anthu ene amati
bangabona umuntu ayezento
akamona wina apanga china chake
bathi lowo ngumthutha.
amanena kuti uyu ngopusa.
Sibuze
Tiye nditifusika.
lokho ukukhipha umthetho wesiboni.
Zimenezo ndiye fungulo yake ya mwambo wa chingoni.
Ingakhohlwi
Ndisaiwale izi
ukuthi kuyelapha ukuthi ngivule officially iwebsite leyo.
kuti tsopano ndikuyenera kuti nditsegulire mwapaderadera website imeneyi.
Manje ngizakhuluma isikhiwa.
Ndiye pamenepo ndiyankhula Chingerezi.
Sengihambe ngikhuluma isikhiwa. So mama ungahamba.
Yebo, siyabonga.
Inkosi yamakhosi, it is now my humble duty to declare that the Maseko Ngoni website is officially launched. God bless you. Thank you very much.
As we can all see, the Vice President of the Republic of Malawi is launching the website.
As it says that we are now in the artificial intelligence and science. Some of us depended on this, so have been instructed to officially open in style. There you go. It is officially open.
And by pressing that button, the VP has donated 5 million kwacha, making the first donation to the Maseko Ngoni Heritage Trust. Can we give him a round of applause? Very good. Panopo, Vice President Bukarabe cha state chomego chifukwa nthawi yoti mutoletse zithunzi panopo ndikane inkosi ya makosi yachisanu kuti ipite pa stage ikatoletse zithunzi ndi a Vice President and inkosi ya makosi upstage together with the Queen. And soon after that, they will be joined by the Minister of Information. And thereafter, we will invite Amakosi, selected Amakosi, to join. And at the end, we will invite MPs, selected MPs, to join for a photo opportunity with the Vice President and Wenyama and the Queen to mark the launch of this website tonight.
My camera. Thank you.
I'm going to over my budget.
This one. Thank you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.